Oh man, I gotta get the hair stuff and it's in there. I gotta move this ginormous plant to get to my hair. My bed not made. I gotta make my bed. See, I'm not even ready to record. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my hair, and I'm going to do it in a way that I've never really done it before. I want to do something completely different, and I want to do, like, hear me out, pink beads, long braids, like skinny braids, but they're like layered, like they're kind of short and they get longer, and the back is going to be like really long, like down to my butt. That's what I'm thinking. If it don't go right, I don't know what to do then. But we gonna do it right. Alright, so I went to the store, the hair store, and I got 3 packs of hair, but I got this ginger colored hair because I wanted to do something a little different in the back. I don't know, you know, I just had a wild idea and I ran with it. And then I have color 4 that's just gonna be around the rest of my head. I guess I only bought a few beads. I definitely thought I got more. I wanted like all pink. This is clearly not gonna be enough to go around my whole head, but I do have this entire pack of white. We'll make it work. I also have blue beads. I was thinking about doing pink and blue. Should I do pink and blue? Please say yes. Should I do pink and blue beads? Because I wanted to do all pink at first. I kind of want to do pink and blue. I feel like that would be sweet. I stopped doing the rubber band method a long time ago when I started just braiding my hair more often in braids like this, because the rubber bands will break your hair off. I'll be back. I'm going to go to the bathroom to part my hair. So hey everyone, welcome back. Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's 6 o'clock. Good evening. I was so tired last night, I did not finish. I went to sleep, and then I had a bunch of stuff to do today. So I just decided, well, while I have time right now, let me just work on it. So what I ended up doing was I parted my hair, pre-parted the entire back section, because the back section for the most part is going to be long. It's going to be a lot longer than the front section, and I left the front alone. I'm not going to touch it yet. What I'm thinking is that I'm going to use some of this ginger hair in sections back here, so when I pull all my hair to the front, you can see the lighter, I don't want to say this was a light brown. This is the color 30, but I want to call it like an orange ginger color. So you're going to see the ginger color laying across my chest when I put my hair to the front, and then in the back it's going to be covered by brown hair. So yeah, we'll try something like that. I make things so difficult for myself because I have a party to go to tonight, and I told myself, you know, I'm gonna wait till after this party. I'm just gonna, you know, go enjoy the party. I'm gonna do it on Sunday. Yeah. The party is in 2 hours. So I'm just trying to do as much as I can, and I'm probably gonna leave here in about 4 hours and show up fashionably late, because why not? So like I said yesterday, it's going to be long in the back, and then it's going to be layered. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just going to let y'all watch this video. And I'm still making TikToks. I did my first braid. This is what it's looking like up here. Okay, so I finished. It's been about like an hour and a half. Time goes by super fast, but I finished the whole back row, or at least the first 2 rows that I'm going to be putting this color on, and the rest of it is going to be completely brown. There's hair all over the floor. I'm going to stand up so you guys can kind of see what it looks like a little better. This is what we're rocking with so far. I think the parts are pretty clean. I can't really tell. I haven't been having too many issues where the hair is getting into other parts of the braids. Now I'm gonna start with the brown. Okay, y'all, so it's officially the 3rd day of me trying to put these braids in. It's taking long because I've had things to do in between, but they're coming out cute. I really like the color of the beads. I'm almost halfway done. I'm really trying to save time on this video by showing y'all braiding the front part. So I'm trying to finish the back. I have 8 more back here, and then I get to section and do this whole top half. Isn't too much hair, so I don't think it'll be too many braids up here, but we'll see. I have no idea. So you can see the progress that I've made, but I ran out of pink beads, so I'm about to go to the hair store and I'll be back. Okay, so I got half a side done. This is looking really cute. I really like how it's coming out. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just knocked my hair over and almost fell into the trash. Okay, let me divide the sides for you. As you can see right now, the right side is more filled up than the left side. And one thing I do want to show y'all is the layering that I was kind of going for. As you can see, these longer pieces that will go behind my shoulder so that if I want to put my hair up, I kind of still have some stuff right here. And then there's a shorter layer where the really long pieces will go behind and the more mid pieces will stay in front, just so that I can, you know, move it out of the way, have different hairstyles and do different things with it. In the back, it should be all the layering part should be on the outside, and it should be long, just hair in the middle, beads on the edges, and just long, just hair down in the middle somewhere. So I can't really tell if I did that properly, but you know, we'll see when I finish. For all these up here, I just been doing knotless. Okay guys, so I'm really literally almost done. I finished. I have literally two more sections and then I'm done. But the reason why this is my third day, or well, technically my third day of braiding, but my fourth day of being in the process of doing my hair, which all started with blow drying. And I've just had so many things to do in between, and I plan to go out with my friends today, and I plan to be finished at a certain time, but they're sort of ready to go in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me, and I'm gonna do my hair in the car because I'm definitely not gonna be able to finish before they get here. Y'all gonna come with me. This is like a hair vlog.
I bet she's not outside.
Okay, so this is what I have left. And I also gotta do
Damn.
take some.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Nah, you're good.
See, that's the thing. People, you can argue that's a skip because the way it looked, it didn't look realistic.
I'm done.
At the while look real. It's
finished.
Yes, I'm finished. I'm gonna. Where are we going?
Flawless.
Oh.
Billy the Beast, but I made her sick.
It's so much going on right
It's
The worst of.
oh my god, you really took it out. You see? The piercing.
Yeah, I did.
Oh god, it looked gross.
Why'd you take it out?
Does it look gross? Because it was rejecting.
That looked gross.
It was like rejecting, which when you have the type of bar that I had, it like pushes itself out because it's curved. Yeah.
Oh man, you know what's crazy? I think the line for the win is right there.
I think so.
Or that was. Oh, I have it's in the bag. The block is right here. Brenna doesn't look.
Brenna?
Yeah, Brenna, you don't look.
Why?
Because when we were at City Dogs,
Yep, it's right here.
and Chance was like, "Can you bring the block?"
You said look at my book bag. So
And now I said, "Looking if it's not in the bag, look in the car."
and you said if you don't find it, forget about it.
Yeah, Brenna, I knew you didn't look.
I did.
We were dead sitting down like, "You think she's looking?" And we were like, "No."
Oh well. Is my hair cute? Do y'all like it? It's different, right?
I most definitely. I want beads in mine now.
You do? Yeah.
I want mine like I want the beads like a short bit, like.
Okay.